Has someone you know been exposed to invisible, hazardous gases in the air?
Have you or a loved one been exposed to a natural gas leakage?
Do you spend too much money buying expensive equipment in an attempt to avoid poor air quality?
Then you need EVE Sleeve. EVE consists of an MQ9 sensor that detects carbon monoxide, liquid petroleum gas, and methane, an MQ8 sensor that detects hydrogen gases, an MQ7 sensor that detects hydrogen gases and carbon monoxide, and an MQ6 sensor that detects LPG, methane, and hydrogen gases, along with our Nextion display that will be showing our easy-to-use user interface. This device can be used in a variety of situations.
You could use EVE Sleeve while working with propane.
Or making sure your car is safe.
And that is EVE Sleeve. To purchase, call 1-800-BUY-EVE1 or email us at don'temailusat@selu.edu.
$9,000 plus shipping and handling, or 4 easy payments of $7,000. Batteries not included. Oh my lord.
Fake news. Be genuine.
Have you or a loved one been exposed to a natural gas leakage?